In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Start by selecting the pirates, then head over to the left side and click the skull and sword icon. Select the name box, then give your crew a name. Next, you will need to add a logo. Go to the Roblox website and sign in. Select Create from the top. If you're not redirected to the Creator Hub, then go back and click the Create button again. Alternatively, select the address bar and type create.roblox.com and press enter. Select Store from the top, then go to Images. Select the search box, then search for an image. Alternatively, click the icon next to the Browse Images text to open the filters. Add any filters you want, then click the search button. Once you have found a logo for your crew, select it. Now, you can go to the side and click the Get Decal button, however, this isn't necessary. Head up to the top and select the address bar. Make sure the text is highlighted, then right-click and select Copy, or just press Ctrl C. Go back to Blox Fruits, then select the logo link box. Paste in the decal link by pressing Ctrl V or Command V on a Mac. Press Enter, and you should now see the image in the logo box on the side. Click the Create button and your crew will be made. However, you will need to be level 300. You now know how to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.